In this video we're gonna show you how to make this mini Swiss roll. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Mark and welcome on the channel Touch of Magic. In this video we're gonna make a delicious mini Swiss roll cake in 3 steps. In the first step we're gonna make the chocolate ganache. The second step is all about making the chocolate sponge cake. And in the last step, the third step, we're decorating the Swiss roll. Let's start with the first step, making the chocolate ganache. Ideally, the chocolate ganache is prepared the day before. So what we have done is crushed the chocolate in smaller pieces. So let's start with heating 1/3 of the whipped cream. Turn the heat off as soon as it starts to boil. Add the chocolate and stir until the mixture is smooth. Gradually add the remaining of the cold single cream while stirring. Stir for 1 minute. The ganache is ready. Let's put it in a fridge for at least 5 hours. It's the day after. Let's start with the sponge cake. For the chocolate sponge cake, mix the egg white into a fluffy substance. If the egg white is fluffy enough, add the sugar and mix it until the sugar is fully taken in. Mix the egg yolk and mix it together with the fluffy egg white. Sieve the flour, custard powder and cacao powder. Mix it with the batter. When it's fully mixed, put the batter on a plate with a baking paper. Bake it for 7 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit until it's golden brown. The last step is about the presentation and it's really easy, but it does take some time. The sponge cake and the ganache are ready. Let's assemble it together for the final step, decorating. Take the ganache and whisk it in the mixer for 3 to 5 minutes until it has the appearance of chantilly cream. You can place it in a piping bag or smear the ganache, it doesn't matter. Cut the sponge lengthways, 2/3 for Minnie's head and 1/3 for Minnie's ears. Cover the sponge with 1/2 centimeter of whipped ganache. Make sure that every inch of the cake is covered and divided equally. Then roll the 2 Swiss rolls. Cover each Swiss roll completely with whipped ganache. Let it cool for at least 5 hours. In the meantime, you can start preparing the decorations. You can make chocolate or fondant decorations. We will make a little red mini bow. Cut 1.5 cm slice of the larger roll to make Minnie's head and 2 slices of 1.5 cm from the smaller roll to make Minnie's ears. Assemble the 3 slices on the plate as shown in the photo and decorate with your chocolate or fondant decorations. With this Swiss roll you can make all kinds of flavors and for all kinds of activities, like a vanilla sponge cake with strawberry jam and Mickey Mouse instead of Minnie Mouse. Now we are done with the Swiss roll. Let us know in the comments down below what other Swiss roll we can make. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button on our channel. We appreciate that. Would you like to get notified when we upload a new video? Hit that notification bell so you guys notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. And for now, enjoy. Bye.